Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at the PowerCrunch Protein Energy Bar. These come in many different flavors. This is the chocolate mint, which is my favorite flavor. It is kind of strange because generally I'm a peanut butter guy, but for whatever reason in the keto world, the peanut butter stuff isn't as good in my mind. But there's tons of different flavors of these. There's vanilla cream and I think there's cookies and cream and just tons of different flavors. I've tried a bunch of them. Incidentally, I've been able to find these locally sometimes, but a lot of times I've just ended up ordering them online because you can get packs that are obviously cheaper. These things run a little bit higher in calories and sugar than what a lot of people would like on the keto diet. I will warn you that. This is 220 calories for one of these bars, and these are wafers, which are literally my favorite kind of cookie in the world. I can sit down and eat like a thing of those wafers, just the entire bag without thinking about it. So it's bad for me. So this is a good option when I'm just absolutely desperately wanting one of those. Anyway, total carbs 11 grams, 1 gram of fiber, and so that's 10 grams per, it's 10 grams per, and there are actually 5 grams of sugar, like straight up sugar, like actual sugar, not high fructose corn syrup. So this does have sugar in it. So again, this is not like a pure keto kind of a thing, but if you want something that tastes like if everybody else in your family is eating Girl Scout cookies, this right here is a Thin Mint in terms of flavor. It kind of even has that texture because it's a wafer. It kind of has that same kind of mouthfeel that you get out of a vanilla wafer. So this is a good, I can't eat a Girl Scout cookie, but at least I can do something that's not going to completely destroy my ability to live or, take me completely off the wagon. So for those of you that are pure keto, this is not your thing. For those of us that are we'll step outside the lines every once in a while to get something that scratches a particular itch, good option for you. So PowerCrunch Power Energy Bars. Again, all different kinds of flavors. So if there's something else you prefer, you're not down with the Thin Mints, whatever, you can probably find something else that you like. So with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all later. Have a great day.